This video will guide you through the assembly process of the Boomerbuggy cover. For this assembly, you'll need the following tools: wire cutter, a set of wrenches, electric drill, tire pressure gauge. The first step is to remove the scooter out of the wooden frame. First, use the wire cutter to cut the straps on the frame. Then use an electric drill to remove the screws or ball brackets located on the bottom of the frame. Carefully lift and remove the wooden frame. Remove all packaging materials and remove the scooter from the wooden platform. Inside the box, you should find the following: 2 lead-acid batteries, charger, and mirrors. After removing the scooter from the box, your scooter should look close to the following. To install the battery, open the door and remove the cover underneath the seat. Carefully place both batteries in position. Using the bolt provided, connect the battery cable to the corresponding terminal. Tighten the bolt using a wrench and slide the cover to protect the terminal. Make sure you attach both battery cables to the correct terminal on the battery. Do the same for the other battery. Once attached, secure both batteries in place with the straps located under the seat. Place the cover back on. To charge the battery, plug the charger to the battery port located near the steering wheel. Before plugging your charger to an electrical outlet, pay attention to the output switch. Change the voltage if necessary. Plug the charger to an electrical outlet and turn the switch on. Pay attention to the indicator lights. When the yellow light turns green, the battery is fully charged. To turn off freewheel mode, locate the lever near the rear shocks and put it in the down position. To start your mobility scooter, insert the key in the ignition and turn. The switches for the headlight, taillight, front and rear turn signals are located near the steering wheel. Check to make sure the headlight and turn signals on the front are working. Make sure to check if the rear turn signals are working properly in addition to the brake lights. Test the throttle by applying pressure to the accelerator. To install the mirrors, simply screw in the mirror to the appropriate side. Tighten the attached nut with a wrench. Do the same for the other side. Before you ride your mobility scooter, take 60 seconds to perform a quick check. Check the tread on the tires and use a tire pressure gauge to make sure your tires are at 50 psi. Check the brake lights by applying pressure on the levers. Then check your headlight, taillight, and both front and rear turn signals. Look out for any loose nuts and bolts and tighten them. And lastly, check the battery charge by inspecting the battery indicator on the dashboard. Once you finish performing the 60-second check, you're ready to go. Remember to observe the rules on the road. Be safe out there. If you experience any difficulties or have any questions, visit us at www.daymak.com.